Bago this year mga kaibigan, sa darating na Biyernes, ang labanan ng University of San Carlos Lady Warriors kontra sa Perpetual dito lang po sa GMA News TV starting 1 p.m. And here is Rina Villamor.
Yes, first up, let's talk about the pink initiative that you can see on Jeng Boli's right knee, as to which he is suffering from a jumper's knee injury brought about by an overuse or repetitive overloading in that area. According to her, she's been doing a lot of exercises and rest to strengthen that area and the muscles and the tendons in that area. And also, Gretchen Soltones was not seeing action to today's ball game due to a left strained hamstring. Sabi nga ng therapist niya kanina, kailangan magpahinga daw muna siya at baka mas importante pa yung mga susunod nilang laro na kakailanganin siya. Meanwhile, for the Lady Knights, Coach Brian wants them to focus on two things, blocking and defense. Back to you guys.
Oh, that's a big loss there. Si Gretchen Soltones, of course, one of the better hitters dito para sa kupunan ng San Sebastian. But again, Jeng Boli, the injuries creeping in na.
Yeah, that's true.
Suzanne Roses, Mondehar, naibalik yung bola. Trish Crisostomo. Boli, nice block there. Coming from Ogana. Boli, ganda ng angulo. Mondehar keeping it alive. Ogana, yes!
Long rally there and good result for Letran.
Tumidikit pa rin po Letran dito. 8-6. That's back-to-back points now for the Lady Knights. Mika Lopez to put it in play ngayon para sa Letran. Good serve. May Crisostomo. Trish Crisostomo. Suzanne Roses.
So speaking of Roses, I was mentioning to you earlier, she's back in playing form.
Oo.
She never really gained. But
Well, nung nag-guest player siya sa Ateneo last conference, medyo mukha siyang out of shape noon.
out of shape na yun.
Sa lagay na yun. Sa lagay na yun. To be honest with you, tama ka, she's never really been out of shape.
But she's back, the lean, mean machine.
Right. Eto ngayon, si Labiano. Queenie Mondehar across, Melissa Koo. Nice dig by Boli. Trish Crisostomo.
Sobe.
Oh, si Shobe nakadali doon.
Fast learner ito.
Akala mo si May Crisostomo mukhang bata. Anong tawag nyo rito? 9 years old na naglalaro sa Shakey's League. Ganon. Kunin natin yung official age.
Baka youngest na ever. From grade school.
Trish Crisostomo is actually already 18 years old naman. Magna 19 yan sa August.
Dalo ko grade school.
Nung pumasok kaya si May Crisostomo, parang naawa tayo pag si Clint Palazzo, binibigyan siya ng di ba?
Tsaka si Vasquez, alam mo ng
Ayun, yun. Feeling mo may dalang teddy bear pa rin sa laro. No? Jolina Labiano. Gusto na kaya si Angelica Vasquez. Graduate na yun, ha?
Oo.
Ito si Machari Sang Muang.
Nagbuka siya ng business teddy bear.
Ano ba yan? Lahat yata ng player na Adamson may negosyo na.
Entrepreneur.
Oh, yun. Tama yun. 10-8 ngayon. Melissa Koo. And Crisostomo there with the dig. Labiano, yes!
Wow!
Alam mo, pinag-uusapan natin kanina, si Jolina Labiano used to be the starting setter para dito sa kumpunan ng San Sebastian. At makikita natin dito ngayon, converted to open hitter na siya. Pero malaking advantage din yung kasi second setter siya rito eh. Sabi natin 4-2 formation. Paano ba tumatakbo yung 4-2 formation?
No, 4-2 is automatic she becomes a setter when you're in the back row. But obviously hindi, no? So, but you know that pag nag-second ball away from the setter, may option ka na setter din in Labiano.
Well, 12-8 ngayon as si Roses nakakuha na naman ng puntos. Trish Crisostomo. Koo, Mondehar, Sang Muang, Crisostomo, Labiano, no problem for Jolina.
Good play for San Sebastian.
Maagang timeout para kay Brian Esquivel at Letran is down by 5.
Pag hindi kayo bumla, matras na kayo para makadepensa, hindi na sa ilalim lang kayo. Ang laki ng space na iwan sa mga kasama nyo. Pero huwag kayo magdikit. Paano yung defense na makuha nyo? Magdikit kayo, tapos lagi sa bola. Walang muna sa bola. O, 5 lang yan. Ha? Dandahanin muna natin. Sige, dandahanin mo. Wala kang spider kung yan. Magbigay na mahal yung bola.
13-8. Makikita natin dito, ito si Jolina Labiano. Ang ganda rin ang nilalaro dito. I'm sure Letran up to now, naalala siyang setter.
Tayo, naalala natin setter.
Oo. Lacerna with a good reception. Here's Ogana on the push. Verbano. Crisostomo. Nakasandal sa net.
Iba ng payat.
One more time for Trish. Verbano. Nice dig by Espelita. Over there coming from Queenie Mondihar. Jolina Labiano. Napalakas.
You know, talagang players, no? Ang initial reaction, it's check ball. Medyo ang layo naman ng mga kamay ng
Saka hindi
flank.
naman ganun kalaki ito si Labiano para humingi ng check ball dun. 13-9. Mondihar. May Crisostomo. Trish. Roses again.
Well, at least, you know, you can see that Trish Crisostomo has this comfort zone with Sue Roses.
Actually, nasa lineup pa nga nitong kupunan ng San Sebastian. You remember Jenilyn? Huh? Jenilyn Belen. Nalala mo? Si Bamsi.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, nasa lineup siya. Pero hindi pa natin nakikita maglaro. Ito si Bamsi. Actually, wala siya sa bench.
Wala siya, no?
Oh. That's another good setter there. Nice serve coming from Ogana. Boli from behind the line. Ku keeping it alive. Ogana. Ahla! Walang third ball. Sabi ni Ku, mag-usap naman tayo.
Oh. You know, that's parang a lackluster second ball, eh. You can convert it to offense, eh, but, you know, parang it confused the players.
Labiano, good serve once again. Espelita, yes! Yan ang hinahanap natin ni Sara Espelita. So, Espelita converting. Kita natin ulit. Ganda rin na set dito ni Queenie Mondihar. Yan, o, tingnan mo yan. Ano yan? Kanyon! If she can get more sets like that, malakas ito Letran. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's Feeling. Nice serve. Coming from Pachari Sangmuang, showing the young ones how it's done. Bata pa rin si Surosa sa kanya.
But she looks young, though.
Oo. Hindi halatang 34 years old. Off the net played there. Boli. Long.
Oh, so San Sebastian lapsing into errors.
Yeah, dalawa na lang.
Oo.
Dalawa na lang abante rito ng San Sebastian. Pachari Sangmuang. Di pa pupuntang beach ito eh. Di pa nagbabago yung kulay. Boli. Suroses from behind the line. Nice stick by Lacerna. Mondihar. Lopez denied by Malyari. 16-13 San Sebastian. We'll be right back.